So this is everything we got. I also bought one of these little baskets for $3.99. So these were the loose ones we got. Actually, this one fell out of the bag. It's a little bear. And then I had to get the little cow. So cute. And then my daughter really liked this little squid. And then I had to get the little Yeti. And the cute little duck. Look. Quack, quack, quack. So cute. And then here's all the ones we got in the bag. We got the little dog. So cute. The little lamb. I had to get the lobster. I love the lobster. Adorable. The cute turtle. And the grumpy turtle. The little alien guy. The ferret. So cute. The bear. The colorful bear. The little mushroom guy. The otter. And last but not least, the starfish. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Shooby-doo, wop, bop, bop, bop. Shooby-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Shooby-doo, wop, bop, bop. Shooby-doo, wop, bop, bop. Bye, guys.